My love, who I'm speaking to today, you truly got someone up thinking, reminiscing, and regretting and missing your presence. I am definitely hearing that you are the one that got away. And I'm hearing like, at first, they did not truly understand the value that you had in their life. I'm hearing that when you was in their life, you completed their life. And I'm also hearing that they got very comfortable to where they forgot that you was the program, and they started to assume that they was bigger than the program. And I'm hearing that when you walked away, at first they thought it was going to be all good, but I'm now hearing that, like, especially around the holidays, their birthdays, that they missing you the most. Because I'm hearing like you was the warmth to their like coldness. Like they feel so cold without you is what I'm hearing. Like your presence was very home like for them. And they thought that they can replace you with something else, someone else. And was they like shown very fast like you are so irreplaceable. You is not a person that can be replaced. You are the one that got away. You are the one that got away. I'm also hearing that with this collective, you had like a, what's the word I'm trying to say? Like also the type of person that got away because you didn't lose anything. They the one who lost. Because I'm hearing that you walked away from them being toxic, from them being secure, from them being manipulative, from them just not on the same frequency as you. And you tried your best to stick it out with them. You tried your best to work it out with them. You tried your best to, help them elevate. Because I'm hearing that you saw more light in them than anyone else around them has ever like saw. I'm hearing that you was the one that uplifted them, and now they don't find that anywhere else. They don't find that anywhere else, and they are truly like regretting. I don't know why I'm really hearing around the holidays, but around the holidays, it's like you are on their mind 24/7, and it's filled with regret. They want to say sorry, they want to apologize, they want to rekindle. Yeah, they want to truly like ask you for forgiveness. But I'm hearing that you have forgiven them within yourself, and you did it for yourself. You didn't do it for them. And I'm hearing that at first it was kind of rough for you, but you gotten to a point where it's like now you're such at a peaceful place with them. Like you said to yourself, like, okay, thank you for the lessons, thank you for the memories, but that's all. And I'm also hearing like they are up thinking about y'all memories. They thinking about how y'all laughed, how you treated them, how you made them feel so good when they was down, how you was the one that was there for them. I don't know why I'm hearing like family and friends was like on their side was kind of getting in the way. Look, they yeah, like I'm hearing like they had betrayed you. They had conversations about you behind your back that you later found out, but they are fully regretting. And now they feel like they had stabbed their own self in the back by losing someone like you. Yeah. I'm hearing they are truly like in sorrow of their own lessons because you was the star for them. You was the one that poured into them. Not only when you was every time you poured into yourself, they got blessed as well. And with you taking that away, they are fully understanding how much of a greatness God was blessing them with you. But when I tell you they are truly, they're not happy. They're not happy. I'm hearing like they trying to portray like they're happy, but they're not. Uh-uh. They're not. Wow. Oh wow. Honey, when I tell you, I'm hearing that when you walked away, you did such a big blessing for yourself. You really cut the cords for yourself, because I'm hearing that this person was, it was toxic. I'm hearing like they was fighting their own demons. They was fighting their own battles. They was fighting their own battles with trying to see like they just couldn't get right. I don't know why they came through. They was very confused. They was trying to confuse you. I'm hearing that they was messing up energies within yourself. I'm hearing that they was taking your sight with your future away from you, and it wasn't like a intentional, but it was like because you was investing so much into them that you would take a lot of your time for yourself away from yourself onto them. So it was like confusing your path. But I'm hearing like they had like addictions. Yeah, but I'm definitely hearing like they was fighting their own demons, and it was bringing you down. It was bringing you down. I'm hearing with y'all, it was very toxic. It was not, you was not heading nowhere with that. Like I said, you will fight for them. I'm hearing like no matter what type of disagreements, what type of arguments that y'all would have, you did not give up on this person. You still had every type of reason. I mean, you found every reason to keep fighting for them until it just got too much and you had to let go. And when you let go, it wasn't a way of you being weak. That was the first time you was being strong, is what I'm hearing. When you finally let that go, you did that for yourself. You took that confidence into yourself. You poured that back into yourself. I'm hearing that you was the one that treated them the best. They would never find another like you. Never. Never. You had to truly make that decision about making sure that your you know what I'm saying, your path, your future. I'm hearing that your future, it was getting a little shaky. And it wasn't like you was unmotivated, but it was just you was trying to take this person with you, man, because you saw a lot of potential that y'all could have had as a union. Like the foundation, I'm hearing the foundation was very rocky. And it's like things was just built on top of it, you know? Oh my goodness. One more card for the collective, please. One more card for the, oh Lord. See, I'm hearing that, yeah, that this relationship, because that right there was crazy. This relationship, it was just very rocky. It was very hard. It was very draining. It was very unsure. It was very confusing. 1 minute you're good. It was very like hot and cold, is what I'm hearing. Very hot and cold. And now they are like thinking to themselves, like, how could I have done that? I done lost the best thing in my life. I done lost the best thing in my life. They communicating with family. Maybe they could be communicating with your family that just came through, but I'm definitely hearing they talk about you, like, and their family members and friends. I'm hearing like they like, oh, you'll be all right, but I'm definitely hearing they are confining into others about you and about the regret that they have. Wow. Yeah. Mm-mm. But yeah, you on your way with your self peace. I'm hearing that this relationship took you through a journey, a self journey, self discovery journey where you had to like find yourself. Because I'm hearing like you got lost into this person. You kind of lost a lot of yourself into this relationship, into this person. And this could be with family, just always trying to survive and like um help others and save others. I'm hearing like you took a step back to where you had to isolate yourself and to really find yourself again. Mhm. Wow. Wow. And see? And now like you're on to like, I'm hearing like you're very optimistic about your future now. With that, with those cords being cut off for you, you're very optimistic about your future and the way that you feel about yourself and the way you see yourself. And I'm hearing you have taken these lessons and now you know what type of partner you want and you know what red flags to look out for. That definitely came through. That definitely came through. Wow. But yeah, you the one that got away. They'll never find another you. Never. So I am Aries Bentley, and if this resonated with you, please like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And I'm cheering for you. The universe is cheering for you. You should be very proud of yourself, okay? And I will see you very, very soon.